All right, so let's practice our telling time. We did practice that on yesterday, how to tell time to half past. So guys, remember, whenever we say half past, what number would our minute hand point to show that we are halfway, 30 minutes, half past in the hour? What number would our hand point to?
6.
The 6. And the 6 tells us that it is 30 minutes into the hour. That's what half past means. It means you're 30 minutes into the hour. So if it's half past 5, it will be 5:30. Half past 9, 9:30. Okay? And we know that 12 means 00 o'clock, brand new hour. Okay? Let's practice reading some time. Okay? What time would this be? This one we should know. Pretty simple. What time? It's 10 o'clock. Okay. What time would it be here?
6. No, 3:30.
3:30. Our hand is 3. Remember, on that 6, that means 30 minutes. 3:30. Time here. Asa?
8:30.
8:30.
This is an easy one. Past. Oh, up
Half past. It should be.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. What time here? 11 o'clock. Good. So, guys, we now know how to tell time to the hour and half past. In your book, it will always read half past. Okay. That's how it will read in your book. So just pay close attention to that whenever you are doing that. It'll say 9:30. That means 9 is the hour, and you should know half past means 30 minutes. Okay, let's count the tally. You can count the tally marks in your mind. I'll give you a few seconds to count it. Let's see. Okay, anybody has an answer? What you got? He says 35. Anybody has something different?
44.
He says 44. Anything different?
39.
39.
38.
38. Let's see. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So since that 39, we're right. 39.
9 too.
All right, so we're going to learn something new today. We're going to learn how to add 10 to a number because it's leading to what we're going to do. So this is our 100 number chart here. Of course, we know how to count by 100. We know how to write our numbers to 100 as well. So the 100 number chart is set up in a particular order. Of course, we know if we go this way, we're counting by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We know when we count like this, we're counting by ones. But there's another way we can count on our chart, and that is by tens. If you look here, you see that this is going by tens, right? You see that? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So that means every single block that goes down is counting by tens, okay? The thing is, they're not just counting by tens the normal way, but it's counting by tens with each number. So for example, when I look at 2, when I say 2 and I go down, 12, 22, 32, 42. Do you hear the pattern though? 52, 62, 72, 82, 92. That's still counting by tens. I just did it with the number 2. If I go to 6 and I count down, 6, 16, 26. I don't need anybody count with me. 36, 46, 56, 66, 76, 86, 96. Do you hear the tens in there? 10, 20, 30. But instead of it being that way, it's with that particular number. So when I did 6, when I count down, I'm counting by tens with 6. All the numbers when you count down are 10 away from one another. It's 10 more. So when we go this way, we're counting by ones, it's 1 more. But when I count going down on the chart, it's 10 more. So we're going to learn how to add 10 to a number. And all we're saying is give me 10 more of that number. And a way to help you to remember that is by counting by tens. Like I just did with each number. I counted by tens with 2, then I counted by tens with 6. When you're counting by tens with a particular number, all the back numbers will be that same number. Look at 2. Are all of them a 2 at the end? Yes. Look at 6. Are all of them a 6?
Yes.
Yes. If I go to 9, when I count by tens with 9, they all will have the number 9 on the inside of it. So I have these numbers up here, and we'll use these as examples to figure out what's 10 more. So let's look at 32. So let's find 32 on our chart here. Okay, so let's find 32. So 32 is right here on our chart. Right here. Okay? 32. So 10 more, is it going to be 33 or 42? Which one would be 10 more? Tell me.
42.
42. Remember, when we go down, it's 10 more. So 10 more than 32 is 42.
32, 42.
Let's look at 17. Let's figure out what's 10 more than 17. What will be 10 more than 17?
27.
Go down 10, it'll be 27. You can push over this way. Next, we have the number 41. What's 10 more than 41?
51.
51. And guys, all you have to do is just think about, like, if you're counting by tens with that number. 41, 51. Next, we have 68. 68, what is 10 more than 68?
78.
78. 9, what would be 10 more than 9? 19. 64. What would be 10 more than 64? 74. 23. What would be 10 more than 23? 33. 24 is one more. 33.
34 is one more. Oh, I need 24.
56.
70.
10 more than 56? 66. Okay? All right. So these are examples of how we find 10 more.
Oh, she's reaching it like. No. So what? It looks like we're almost done with our stuff. Oh, are you? We just started. I know, it looks like we're done.
Okay, let's do a few more. But now I'm gonna take the chart away. Let's see if you can figure it out without the chart. So guys, I told you it's just like you're counting by tens. So 13, you can raise your hand now. Who knows what will be 10 more than 13? Think about it if we're counting by tens. What will come after we say the 1? What will be 10 more? 23. 13, 23.
Oh,
What about 62? What would be 10 more than 62? Think about it if you're counting by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. But remember, it has to have the 2 in it. So 62, what will be 10 more than 62?
72.
72.
How you keep on getting them answers?
89. What will be 10 more than 89? 10 more than 89.
99.
99.
Oh my gosh. That's a lot.
27. What would be 10 more than 27? 10 more than 27. 27. After we say 20s, what number we go into? Huh? 37. 27, 37.
This is not getting easy to me a little bit, huh?
All right, let me put a few more.
Yes. Oh, this is fun. This is so fun. Oh, put a hard one. Yeah, that's 55. No, not a whole 60. It's not gonna be Easter one. 70. All right, that's on you. You would get that 85. 95. You get that 100.
All right. 45. What would be 10 more than 45? 10 more than 45. Asa?
55.
55.
That just sounds like the same thing.
76. 10 more than 76. 10 more than 76.
86.
86.
Oh my Lord.
31. 10 more than 31. Think about when you count by tens. What comes after the 30s? You say the what?
32.
After, when you're counting by tens, after you say 30, you say
40.
So if it's 31, then it'll be 40.
1.
41. 31, 41. And 4. This one's a little harder. 4. What would be 10 more than 4? 10 more than 4? Cairo? 14. Good. All right. Good job, guys. So that is how we add 10 to a number. So on Monday, because we don't have Zoom on Thursday and Friday, on Monday, we'll meet and we'll do what's called a counting by tens wrap. We'll do it inside of your book, and that will help us to count by tens with the number easier, okay? So we'll do that. So Asa, you will see that page in your book when you work on your pages tomorrow and Friday, but skip it because we'll do it on, well, Tuesday when we meet on Zoom, okay? Because we don't have school Monday. All right, good job, guys. Go ahead and get out your letters book. Or a letter, capital letter U on today. Page 69.
69, baby. 69. 69, baby.
All right, let's go ahead. And so for today, we're learning capital letter U. It's pretty easy, pretty similar to lowercase letter U, just have to, it's bigger and you got to do something. So letter U starts up here on the dotted line. You're going to come down to the middle, small little loop. Then you're going to curve all the way down, go all the way back up, down the same line, kick it out, but stay in your line. Don't do that. Okay, again, curve around, down, up, down, kick it out. Capital U. You can begin. Take your time, please. All right, so yes, go ahead and get out your paper so we can practice our titles of respect. Remember, we're learning the titles of respect this week. These are used, the titles are used whenever you are showing respect to someone, usually an adult. You'll use you'll say their last name, maybe sometimes the first, but you put this title of respect before it to show respect to the name. Okay, so how do we write the titles of respect? We start them all with the what? We start them all with the capital letter, and what do we put after the title of respect? A dot. So we have the actual word, the name of the title of respect, and then we have the abbreviation. Remember, an abbreviation is a shorter way to write something. So guys, what I want you to do first thing is to copy this just like I have it on the board. Don't do anything else. I want you to copy one side of your paper, put this, and the other side of your paper, put this. Okay, do that now on a clean sheet. And skip lines between them, please. So do that now. On one side of your paper, copy this. On the other side of your paper, copy this. No, on a clean sheet for the second time. Okay, so now that we have it written down, let's go ahead and match. So we're going to look at the abbreviation and figure out which one it matches to. So Mr. I want you on your paper to draw a line. So which one of these is for Mr.? Don't look on anyone's paper. Look on your paper because you wrote it down. Which one would, don't look on anybody's paper. Which one would go to Mr.? This is the abbreviation. Which one would it match to? Tyro, could you come and show us on the board which one it would match to if we were, because this is what we have to do on the test tomorrow. Come on, hurry up, move fast. Okay. Which one would Mr. match to? Good. Hopefully that's what we did. Is that the one we selected? Some people didn't select at all. They waited until he came up here to do it. All right, next one, we have Mrs. M-R-S dot. Go ahead and draw a line. Which one would Mrs., which one would it connect to? Unmarried, doctor, Mr., married, or any woman? Which one would Mrs. M-R-S dot connect to? Got it. Wait a minute. This doesn't go there. Not red. Oh, this is. All right. So let's see, David. You gotta come show us which one would MRS dot connect to? No, not unmarried. Not unmarried. Try again. MRS dot. Easy. Okay, so MRS is gonna be for a married woman. Married, guys. MRS is for a married woman. Is that what we connected to? All right, next we have doctor. This one is pretty easy. Which one would doctor connect to? Think that's a great idea? It's not. All right. Braylee, could you come show us which one doctor would connect to?
Yep.
Yep, doctor goes to doctor up here.
That's what I did.
Okay, next one we have Mrs. with MS.
Daddy need this.
Yeah, you finish it with a you're making a compound word. Basketball?
Oh.
MS. Dot. Go ahead and connect. You only have 2 options left.
What is this one?
Possessive phrase. So Emma has some earmuffs. Who's the person?
Emma.
What belongs to her?
Earmuffs.
There you go. Emma's earmuffs.
What is this? I did the same thing.
Okay, Asa, you want to do this one? Which one would MS Mrs. connect to?
Any woman.
Good. Any woman can have MS. Good. Okay, and then obviously, guys, our last one, MISS, Mrs. would be for an unmarried woman. Good. So tomorrow's test, this is what you'll have to do.
That was easy.
Okay, so just be prepared for that on tomorrow. Yep. All right, awesome. All right, so we'll stop here. We'll cover phonics when we get back because our phonics will be a little long today. So we'll cover phonics when we get back from break. So Asa, have a good break. I'll see you later on, okay?
Okay.